Hello friends, our next topic is operon system and types of operons. First of all, we are going to explain about lac operon. Lac operon system is basically present in mostly prokaryotes like bacteria, which is not present in most of the eukaryotes. There the regulation of the gene expression is done by what called histone modification and their regulation. What are operons means? These are the system which is responsible for the expression of the genes. The expression of the genes is controlled by the operon system only. There are various types of operon systems like lac operon, tripoperon. Lac operon is for lactose metabolism and tripoperon is for tryptophan synthesis, tryptophan amino acid synthesis. And there are also other various type of operons like leucine operon system and histidine operon system. These are some operon systems which we normally come across. So here we are going to discuss about expression of the lac operon genes. Here the main three genes are involving in the lactose metabolism, that is breakdown of the lactose. Here the three genes which are expressed by this operon system is LAC-Z, LAC-Y and LAC-A. These are the three genes which are expressed by lac operon. The first gene is LAC-Z. That is this LAC-Z is and this LAC-Z gene when expressed it gives it encodes for the beta galactosidase enzyme which has the function of conversion of lactose into glucose plus galactose. Here with the help of beta galactosidase enzyme we can produce galactose and glucose, which is breakdown by lactose. So the second gene is LAC-Y gene. This encodes for the lactose permease enzyme. This enzyme helps in the production of the transport of the transport of the lactose into the cell through plasma membrane. That is, it is present, LAC-Y gene is present in the plasma membrane only, so it allows the lactose into the cell. The next gene is LAC-A gene. Here LAC-A gene encodes for the enzyme thiogalactosidase transacetylase. The function is not very well known. These are the three genes which are involving in the lactose metabolism. Here these three genes are exported when lactose is present and glucose is very low. Means here glucose acts as a inhibitor, that is, it is negative regulator for the lactose metabolism. Genes expression, the first regulator is an activator and second regulator is repressor. Activator here is called as cap, that is cap protein. It is a protein. It binds at the cap site of the DNA. That means cap has specific site to bind with the DNA in a specific position of the DNA. Next repressor, this is a lac repressor. Here the repressor is lac repressor. It binds to the operator site. Any repressor binding site is called operator site. That is present near to promoter site. Here cap is a catabolite activator protein, or also called as CRP. And next, coming to the lac repressor. Repressor binding sites are called as operator sites. Just now we discussed. And next is effect of glucose is mediated by the cap. Means here cap is regulated according to the glucose levels in the cell. Next, when comes to the lac repressor, lactose signals are mediated by the lac repressor. If lactose is not present and glucose is present, then repressor will work. If lactose is present and glucose is not present, then there is no function of the repressor. Lactoperon is a catabolite type of operon because it is named because it is a catabolic process, that is lactose metabolism, that lactose is converted into glucose and galactose, that is a catabolic process. So this operon is considered as catabolite type of operon. So if this operon is working, means there is a lactose is present in the cell. If there is no lactose in the cell, that means no operon is working, that is operon is turned off. So to work this operon, lactose concentration is must present in the cell. If lactose is absent, that is there is no lactose in the cell, repressor works, because if lactose is present, repressor won't express the genes, that is there is no need for the catabolism of the lactose. So it is repressor is working when lactose is absent in the cell and stops the expression of the 3 genes just now we discussed. And when if lactose is present in the cell, the activator works, means here the catabolic process takes place when there is some concentration of the lactose is present, then only it will work. That is, it promotes the 3 genes expression. Because of that 3 genes, that expression of the 3 genes only we are getting the 3 enzymes which is involved in the lactose metabolism. So when lactose is present, then only we can break down the lactose into glucose and galactose. So their concentration is must for the activation of the that is working of this operon. Some tables are given. The first table is represents the conditions when lactose is present and lactose is absent, how lac repressor and activator works, it is given here. That is, they are inactive or active is given in the table. When lactose is present, repressor is inactivated, that is inactive repressor is present. And when lactose is present, that presence of lactose activates the activator. So when lactose is absent, repressor is in active state, because that is operon that stops the expression of the genes. So it is repressor is active here, and opposite to this activator is inactive here. When glucose conditions are high in the cell, lac repressor works. Glucose always favors for the repressor, not an activator. Here glucose inhibits the activator, so that is no expression of the genes takes place when glucose concentrations are high in the cell. Activator. Here cap also favors for the activator function, that is it is also opposite to the glucose concentrations. When glucose is present, cap won't works, that is it is a protein which acts like an activator in the lac operon. This is the activator, and when glucose concentrations are low, or that is glucose is not present, then CAP works. Here glucose lactose activator repressor transcription takes place or not, and expression of the genes takes place are given in the tabular form. Here when glucose is present and lactose is present, then activator is inactive, means here glucose is there, so activator is inactive, and repressor is also inactive because here lactose concentration is also present, so repressor is also inactive, and only basal level of transcription is takes place. Even though glucose is present and lactose is present, even though glucose is present, activator works sometimes, that type, and transcription takes place and gene expression is takes place, but it is low expression. That type of transcription is called basal level of transcription is always present in the cell. That is, it is a continuous process even though glucose is present, and in next case glucose is present and lactose is absent, so activator is inactive state and repressor is in active state, so no transcription is takes place. Here repressor is in active state, so no expression of the genes also takes place. Here then next case, glucose is not present, only lactose is present, activator is highly activated and repressor is highly inactivated. That is, repressor won't work properly because the two situations of glucose and lactose concentrations are highly opposite to the conditions which favors for the repressor function. So here high level of transcription is takes place, and genes are the three genes which are involving in the lactose metabolism are highly expressed in this case. This is the expression of the genes and how transcription is takes place. This is a diagram of the DNA, that is lac operon system, and the components involving in that operon system. Here this site is cap binding site, and the next from cap site to operator site, the whole bit of the operator site is called promoter site. Here this is a operator site where repressor binds to the this location of the DNA, and next LAC-Z gene is present, and next LAC-Y, and next LAC-A. Z-Y-A genes are in a order in the DNA of the prokaryotes. Here cap is binding in the cap binding site, that is present at the 5' site, and the three genes are located downstream or 3' side. This is the main mechanism and how activator and repressor is involving in the functioning of the lac operon. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.